Hey guys, this is my second video ever. Today I'm playing with my friend. He's my cousin. So we're gonna 1v1. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Hey, don't kill me. Okay, he's from Dubai and I am from Greece. So, wait here. I am going to change skin, but not there, somewhere else, okay? Wait here, don't do something. No, wait here. Wait. I'm muting my mic now. I'm going to troll him. Now I'm getting the hacks. And now, like in my first and my second video, I just built cones right here. And now I'm going to get the hacks, Lil Whip, everything. Then I'm coming back, but with no other weapons. So he can see that I play with fairer weapons. Okay. Wait. Don't kill me, George. Okay. Now, let's 1v1. 3, 2, 1, let's go. He's getting pickaxed. Bye guys.